So I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my eyeliner and how do I get it to look so good. And I decided that I would make a video and show people visually because I feel like I'm better at doing that rather than explaining it to them, and it's harder to understand everything if you don't really see what's going on. If you've never done eyeliner before, I'm telling you and I'm like, oh, you just make the wing right here, you like put it on mascara. Like, if you don't know what any of those words mean, then you're not gonna get what I'm saying. This is way easier than explaining to you, so here you go. And if anyone else sees it and learns how to do eyeliner, awesome. So the eyeliner I use is just a cheap L'Oreal felt tip eyeliner, and I use a felt tip because I feel like it's a lot easier to apply than other kinds of eyeliner. Felt tip has been the easiest one for me, so this is the one I recommend. So a lot of people, when they're doing eyeliner, will start from the inner corner and draw their way out like this, but I actually do the opposite. I start on the outer corner, draw my line, bring it in to the inner corner, and then fill it in as best as possible. That way, if you mess up, you can just make it a little bit thicker and everything is fine. So I start out here. I've never done this looking at a camera lens before, so sorry if I'm going slow. Now that I've made my initial line, you can fill that in. I usually stop around here and then like bring it over, because doing it from here all the way over here can be kind of hard, and like you can get it like too big sometimes, so I'll try and do a little bit of both. Meet in the middle. See, obviously that doesn't look perfect right now, but since I have an initial shape now, I can literally just fill it in how much I please, and it'll look bomb.com. It's gonna be so much harder doing it on this side because like the screen's over here. So let's see what mistakes we make. Super surprised at how well these turned out, doing them in a camera screen, but this one is a little bit thicker than this, and all I have to do is go over it a little bit and like match it up a little, fill it in. Alright, now that we have both of them done, just finish it off with a little mascara.